For my biggest fuck up of this week, it was yesterday, Friday. I took my pre-market setup. That was nice, nice, quick 3 hour. Then we go into the London Open. When I see what's happening at London, as in bearish reaction, push down, retracement back up, another push down, I was subconsciously biased to the same setup that gave me the massive trade on Thursday instead of sticking to my process and reading the structure. So this entry here is what I call um, marked in my journals as RL1, which basically means London reversal type 1. It's when we get a push down, a positive reaction, and then we enter on the first retracement into the impulse. So that would have been a winning trade. But I had a good week, so I was in my head waiting for the most highest probability trade, which would be another sweep of the lows and then a push up. However, in hindsight, this setup is a perfect trend day down. As we see, we're at Asia highs, we take the high, we have a push down, we put back up, we didn't take the highs, London opens bearish. So as we see, the London opening range is the very top of the London range, and we never revisit it. On the retracement back up, the fact that we didn't test the London opening range again, I should have read that as a bearish day. And we get a perfect entry around here, which is everything I want to see, where we test an area of interest, which can be an imbalance or an area of consolidation. We then fail with an impulse down with the 9 and the 20 crossing over or anticipating that's going to cross over. So in real time, what we would see is this push down, and then we would see the 9 pointing down and the 20, the red line, starting to curl down. So we know a cross is coming if it continues. But I completely ignored all this and I was waiting for this sweep. Unfortunately, I didn't get an entry to go along. So I didn't take any until here, and I got took out break even. But seeing that massive move was frustrating and a reminder that you've got to follow your plan and not have an overall bias. The beauty of my edge and the beauty of my models is I don't need to marry a daily bias. I just need to read structure, and that gives me a nice flow of base hits of 3R trades with the opportunities to catch runners. And what happened on Friday couldn't be any more of a clear shot. But I was obviously a bit foggy and married the idea of taking these lows and going higher. So overall, it was a good week. Very, very, very tricky week for my type of entries because of the increased volatility. So I didn't trade much. I had lots of break-even trades, but luckily Thursday was a nice day, so I ended the week in good profit.